Hello, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Daftuar. I'm the founder of PlanMyTrainings.com. I'm an author, a global speaker, and a seasoned HR, L&D, and OD professional. I want to ask you a question. Do you often wonder how is it that some people get the right career break? They get to rise up the corporate ladder and they get the right career growth as they desire, whereas some people struggle. My answer to all these questions is very simple. You can build your own career if you really work on it. Yes, it is your life, it is your career, it is your choice. You need to have career plan for your goals that you can set for yourself. You need to design the career path to reach that goal. Now, for HR, training, and L&D domains, many people come asking me how to build our career in HR department, or how to get into the training and development department of a corporate sector, or how to become a world-class trainer, how to design courses. For all these things, I can help you out if you want. I have 20 plus years of experience in HR, L&D, all these domains. I have set up the training and development department for various multinationals. I have set up the HR department for various startups. I have worked on creating assessment centers, psychometric testings, utilizing all these in training need analysis, in designing the strategies for organizational development, in setting up the HR department or the training department as per the ISO certifications. So I have worked in all these fields. I have trained thousands of people on self-discovery, leadership, communication, public speaking, and have also trained many people on how to become a trainer, how to design courses. On all these things, I have immense experience. If you want help in any of these sectors, then go and check out my services. And there are courses, there are 101 sessions that I can help you out with. There are live sessions that I have. You can check those out and feel free to connect with me if you have any specific requirement. I have a special VIP guest group of speakers and trainers. If you want, you can join that too. Links are mentioned below. Thank you so much.